Hi, I'm Salman Reyes from Era24 UK, and in this video we will talk about how we can change a word vendor to seller, because many of you install a Dokan plugin, and when you go on a login page then it looks like this. So I am a customer and I am a vendor. So how we can change this word vendor to seller? This is what we are going to do without any coding knowledge or without any rocket science. So let's get started. So we are going to see once we have installed Dokan and other plugins. So you see here vendor. Now we are going to install a plugin which is called Loco Translate. I just show you how it looks like. So you will go plugin section, and then in plugin section you will go add new plugin, and then here you will just write Loco, L-O-C-O, and you will see on your left hand side Loco Translate. You have to install. I have already installed to save our time and activate it. So you will see after installation, then you have to press again to activate it. Once it is activated, then we will go to the plugin. Here is the plugin. I'm Salman Reyes from Era24 UK, and it is installed. And in this video, so we will talk about how we can change a word options when we have got here to seller. Because many of you install here, as you can see, the running plugins are when you go on, and then we are going to choose Dokan. It looks like so this. We will click on it. So, and here it is I am a customer option and I am a vendor. An option is new language. How we can change this word vendor to seller, and then this is what we are language to do without any coding knowledge, United States English, without any rocket science. So, and what we need to change? We need to change the language plugin. So we are going to, and after that selecting once we have installed Dokan second number, and we are going to click on. So you see here start translate. Now we are going to install a plugin. Now there is a page open translate which is related to Dokan, how it looks like plugin, and we will find plugin section, the word, and then in plugin section you change will go I am a vendor plugin. So I'm going to write I am a vendor here, and then here you will just write Loco, L-O-C-O. Once I will write it here, so you can see the word you will see on showing on the left hand side down there, Loco Translate. So what we need to change, I have already installed to save our time and activate it. So you will see after installation, then you have to press again to activate it. Once it is activated, then we will first we need to click plugin I am a vendor, because then it will show here plugin. If we will not click, it will not show here. So now we are going to see. So once we click here, it will show here. Now we are going to write I am. So here, as you can see, the running plugins, once you have got this one, and then we are going to change more vendor words, we will click on it, and you just write vendor option, like an option is new language, and then you will see there are so many vendors. So all, and then we will one by one language you need to do, and you need to make changes United to States English to seller. So I'm going to select what we need to change, a simple one to change the language plugin. And after that, selecting this search vendor second number, we are going to click on or start translating. For example, this one, yeah. So search vendor. Now there is a page open which is related to Dokan plugin vendors, and here in English. Here we will find going to the word which we need to change seller. I am a vendor. So I'm going to write I am a vendor, search seller here, and when you have finished all changes, once I will write it here, so you can see. So as you can see, I have changed this one, showing to this on the left. You see here, it is translated. So the selected one was we need to change. Next one was search vendors. So it is translation, I'm a seller. Done, search, seller. So the same way like you will do others. First we need to, on the right hand side you will see I'm a vendor, because then once you done here you can just save. If you will not click, and it will not show okay tick mark. Now we will go to the login page. So once we click here, it will show here. Now I'm a vendor. Right now I'm going to refresh it and then see it is changing or not. So once you have got this one, if you want you can to change see it is more vendor words. You just, now it is saying I'm a seller. You just write vendor. So this is the way without knowing like any coding, and then you can change. There are so many vendors. Vendor so to all. One if you have any question, you can just write me in comment section. Changes to I'll be glad to help you out. So I'm going to for watching this video. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe my channel. Anyone which will encourage me to make more videos like that and to help you out. Thank you. Have a great day. For example, this one, yeah. So search vendor and search vendors. Here in English I'm just going to say search seller. So search seller, and when you have finished all changes you have already made, so as you can see I have changed this one to this one. You see here it is translated. So the selected one was, next one was search vendors. So it is translation done, search seller. So the same way like you will do others. So on the right hand side you will see the translation. Once you're done you can just save and you will see okay tick mark. Now we will go to the login page and it is I'm a vendor. Now I'm going to refresh it and then see it is changing or not. As you can see it is changed and now it is saying I'm a seller. So this is the way without knowing any coding you can change vendor to seller. If you have any question you can just write me in comment section. I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe my channel, which will encourage me to make more videos like that and to help you out. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.